What we're going to do now is we're going to use the different tab into practice, and we're simply going to go over the instructions here, and I'll show you how to do things so that if you want to use it later for your own purposes, you've got that ready and you can always refer back to the video. So first thing, let's change this text box and text using the property tab. So of course you need to select an item in order to change it, and you can see right away that we've got some option up here, because some of the menus, as often in software, are doubled up in two different places. So I can change the color from here, and the line color, and I can change the outline and so on, but I can just the same way go to the property tab over here, and I've got these options, but now I've got more options. For example, I can use gradients, so I could say color 1 and color 2. Okay, it just gives you more options. You can play with transparency, you can choose an image, browse for an image, and fill it up with an image. And there's lots of options of what you can do to change the design. And the text, select the text, and then you can print here. And again, once you select the text, you have the text tools up here, and you can use them from here. But just as well, you can go to the property tab, and you've got the different tools which are relevant for text, and you can use them to change your text. There we go. So that's about text and very simple object like a square. If you want to add more objects, and up here you've got different shapes, and you can look inside it and see if there's anything that you fancy using. Let's add a little and to move an object you gotta always use the select tool, and once it's selected you can move it around, and again you can change its properties.